If you're looking to establish an online presence for your business or yourself but lack programming skills, there are free website builders available that allow you to create a high-quality, visually appealing website without any coding experience. In this top 5, I'll be counting down the best free website builders that will help you to create the perfect site. I'll also discuss the pros and cons of each to help you find the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is WebNode. This platform continues to improve each year, offering a plethora of features for free with minimal limitations. However, it does restrict storage at 100 megabytes, making it ideal for small, personal, or business websites only. They now have more than 100 templates for you to choose from in a wide variety of categories. Their editor is very intuitive, making it a great choice for beginners, with easy-to-use tools, allowing you to customize any page with the look you want. Unlike many of the other website builders, there are no third-party ads, no limits to the number of projects you can create, and you can build pages using more than 20 different languages at the same time. When you get started, you'll pick the template from one of the various categories. I'll go with this one here. You will now create your site. When it's ready, here on the right, click on the 1-minute video tutorial, or if you're ready to get going, click on Edit My Site to jump right in. To begin, just click the various elements to make any necessary changes. For example, click into the name of the business and change it. Let's go with Macho Tacos. Earlier, I mentioned with the free plan, the storage limit was 100 megabytes. Upgrading to their limited plan at $4.50 per month does not increase your storage, but does allow you to use your own domain. Do you want a free domain with more features? Those plans right now start at $8.50 per month. Next up, coming in at number 4, is Jimdo. For absolute beginners, this one is quick and easy to use and will have a site built for you in just a few short minutes. There are templates available for just about any industry, with tools that allow you to customize your site to fit your needs. If you don't plan on being the next Amazon or Walmart, you can create a basic free online store for your business with no transaction fees. When you get started, it'll first ask what you'd like to create. Your choices are website, an online store, and a blog. I'll go with website. It'll then ask, how do you want to create your website? No coding required, and for coding experts are your choices. For this video, let's go with the option, no coding required. It'll now ask you a series of questions. Don't skip any of them. When you're done based on the answers you gave, you'll see the layout of your site. In the upper left, click on Design. Make any changes on the current page. Select Pages to select another page that was created, and you can add a new page. And selecting Store lets you add products to the online store on your site. While the free plan does include all the basic features, you're limited to 5 web pages and up to 2 gigabytes of bandwidth per month. Other than that, it's great for those of you that need something simple and easy to use for a small business or personal site. In at number 3, WordPress.com is one of the most well-known of the website builders. Not to be confused with the self-hosting site WordPress.org, WordPress.com is primarily great for bloggers wanting a website to host their blogs, and it's also a good choice for small businesses. It includes dozens of themes with thousands of easy-to-install add-ons to choose from. Their advanced block editor makes it easy to customize size, color, and placement of each element separately. If you need a custom domain, you can buy it from WordPress.com without the need to upgrade from the free plan. After you create an account, the next step is to enter the domain you want. If you don't know it, just enter the keywords that describe that site. Then we'll give you the option to buy a domain, or you can select free to use a WordPress.com domain. I should point this out. When you get started, it'll ask you to choose a plan. If free is what you want, here at the top, select Start with our free plan. Once that's done, on the My Home dashboard, here on the right, complete all that do not have a green checkmark, beginning with Name your site. If you ever need to upgrade, the pricing is reasonable, with plans starting at $4 per month. With the free plan to create a high-quality website or blog, all of the essential features are included with unlimited bandwidth, but does lack functionality when compared with other website builders for e-commerce. Before we get to our top 2, there are some other free website builders we've tested that for some of you might be worth your time to check out. Mozello is perfect for those of you that prefer a minimalistic design to build your website and blog or online store. if you have an international audience and lets you create versions of web pages using different languages. Webflow, which is well known for their content management system, also has a designer tool, which is quite handy, letting you create a website using pre-designed templates. They also give you the option to build it from scratch using their blank canvas option. From the folks at MailChimp by Intuit, who are known for their email marketing tools as a website builder as well. With SEO tools included, this one is good for those of you that run a sole proprietorship or small business of less than 10 people. Ucraft is one that's been gaining in popularity lately. Their free website builder is highly functional with a drag-and-drop editor and useful e-commerce tools. As it continues to get better, I could see this one making our top 5 in the coming years. Site123 is another one I'd recommend for absolute beginners. Offering a basic feature set that is not overwhelming, your website builder is geared towards small businesses, bloggers, e-commerce, and more. And the last of our bonus picks is Google Sites. While being completely free for anyone with a Google account, it has serious limitations. There's only 16 site templates to choose from, there's no e-commerce functionality, and has very poor SEO optimization. Back to the countdown, in the runner-up spot, coming in at number 2 is Weebly. It's known for being one of the best drag-and-drop editors to create an online store. It can also be used to create any type of site. It has a large library of professionally designed themes and it's feature-packed. Those features include a built-in image editor, tons of add-ons, video backgrounds, Instagram feed integration, and a whole lot more. If you plan to build an e-commerce site, you'll find that Weebly has most of the tools you would need to create a great-looking online store for your customers. When you get started, select a theme from the various categories. In this example, I'll go to Other and select this one here. That will give you a preview of your site. If all is good, here in the upper right, click Start Editing. Click the links to view the pages automatically created for you. You'll find the tools along the left to edit each page. All are included for free, except for those marked with an orange lightning icon. With their free plan, you get all the basic features, but the storage is limited to 500 megabytes, and you can't connect a custom domain unless you upgrade. Taking in the top spot, coming in at number 1, the best free website builder with no coding knowledge needed is Wix. It's great for beginners without any web design experience. No other can match its large number of templates and features, making it the best overall. Not only is the interface easy to use when customizing your site, it also includes advanced features for blogs and e-commerce. If designing is not your thing, you can now choose from more than 500 templates, all of which are customizable to suit your industry or interest. To begin, it'll ask you some questions to help get you set up. It'll ask you first who the site is for. Choices are myself, a company, my client, someone else, and a startup. I'll go with a startup. I'll go through the rest of these quickly. Have you created a website before? Let's pretend this is my first time. What's your role at the startup? Let's go with founder. How many people? Let's say 2 to 5 work there. What kind of website does your startup need? We'll just click on startup here. Click next. You now have 2 choices. Wix now includes an artificial intelligence solution called Wix ADI on the left, which will fully design a site for you after answering even more questions. If you want more control when building your site using the Wix editor, click Choose a Template on the right, which is what I'll do right now. Now choose your template by hovering your cursor over it and select Edit. Everything is customizable to move it around the screen. Clicking on any element will give you the tools to make any changes. For example, clicking on text will give you the option to edit the text and animations. I'll go the balance and effect here, then click on Customize. I'll close this out. You have several options on the left. Selecting menus and pages here at the top lets you add a new page or jump to one already created. You can change the background. You can add a new element by text, image, button, and many others. You also have the choice to change the color scheme and upload medium from your computer or from another site to add to your web page. With the Wix free plan, there is a limit of 500 megabytes to both the bandwidth and storage. If you ever outgrow the free version, premium plans start at $17 per month. Thank you for watching. You'll find all the links in the description. I hope this video was helpful for those of you looking to create a website. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe and click the bell to stay updated with our latest top 5s and other tech-related stuff here on Brett in Tech.